What if nag-resign ang PCO sa company? Ano ang gagawin? Nakasulat yan dito sa DAO 2014-02 Revised Guidelines for PCO Accreditation. Particularly Section 9. Sabi dito sa Section 9 ng Department Order, new PCO in case of resignation or termination. Sinasabi dito, in case of resignation or termination of the services of the PCO, the managing head shall appoint or designate a new PCO. He or she shall inform in writing the concerned EMB regional office within 15 calendar days and seek accreditation for the new PCO within 30 calendar days from the date of resignation or termination. Meron pa dito, sabi, the managing head shall immediately assume the responsibilities as interim PCO until such time that a new PCO shall have been accredited. In case the managing head of the establishment is of foreign nationality, the next highest ranking Filipino officer shall assume the responsibilities of the PCO. One important thing also here, we have the accreditation of a PCO who has resigned or been terminated shall be considered automatically revoked upon his or her resignation or termination. A new accreditation shall be secured from the concerned EMB regional office if the PCO transfers and assumes the PCO position in another establishment.